Welcome to Kenton's videos. Enjoy the video.
You start by making a full backup of the original splash. Firm to the SD card so you can restore if needed. Next, get a compatible splash image scaled to the 3ds resolution and format. This prevents boot errors. Once done, confirm God Mode 9 and Luma 3DS are installed on your console because you will use God Mode 9 to access and replace the file. You should act now and verify free space and battery charge to avoid interruptions during file operations. You boot into God Mode 9 by holding Start so you can access the SD file system directly. Then navigate to the exact path where Luma stores the splash. Firm, typically SD/Luma/splash. Firm or the root depending on your setup, and locate the existing file. Make sure to remount the SD in RW mode if necessary, then copy your converted splash file and overwrite the original. Take your time when confirming file names and extensions, because a wrong file will prevent normal booting. You finish by powering off, reseating the SD card to ensure the new file is recognized, and then booting normally to test the splash. If the console shows a black screen or a boot loop, power down and restore the backup splash. Firm right away using God Mode 9. That will recover the system. If problems persist, make sure the file size, image format, and Luma settings match requirements, because most failures are due to wrong dimensions or incorrect file naming. One quick troubleshooting tip: recheck the file extension and header.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.